Hello everyone, my name is Magujug, and today I would like to show you how to run an effective Facebook ad for your business from scratch. So I'm going to show you how to write the Facebook ad copy, and I'm also going to show you how you can set up and launch a winning Facebook ad campaign for your business. And you can agree with me that the economy is tough and you need new ways of acquiring customers so as to increase your revenue and income. So without wasting time, let's delve right into it. So in order for you to start running Facebook ads, you need, number one, to have a Facebook profile account in which you are going to use to create your Facebook business page. So in this tutorial, I'm going to run an ad for Impetuous Solutions from scratch. So I'm going to take you through step by step what you need to know for you to begin running Facebook ads for your business and for others. Now, I just want to show you quickly something. So let's just scroll down and look for an ad. So let me just scroll. So here we have got viral content design here. These guys are selling Canva templates, right? So they create templates using Canva and then they commercialize them. That's their business idea. So let's see who is their target audience. So why am I showing you this? Right, so before you start going about creating the ad itself or running Facebook ads, you need to conduct some kind of research to understand how others are doing it, especially if they are in the same industry or niche as you. You need to find those ads that are related to what you want, to the ad that you want to run, and do some research as to what is the type of audience these people are targeting and how you can steal some of their targeting options or targeting skills. So that's why I want to show you how to do this kind of research. So you can see that it's written sponsored, which means this is an ad. So here, just click three dots here, and you will see this option here saying, why am I seeing this ad? So click on that, and once you click on that one, you can see Facebook is showing us why we are seeing this ad on our feed. So here you can just click on advertiser choices. You can see that viral content design wants to show its ads to people who communicate both in English, UK and US, and people who have set their age between 22 and 60. So this is their target audience. So yeah, so basically let's just find another ad that has got some advanced options. So let me just scroll down here. Let me scroll down a bit. So you can see we've got Intuit QuickBooks. Let's just click on these three dots here and let's click on why am I seeing this ad. And you can see we can click on advertiser choices, and here you're seeing that Intuit QuickBooks wants to reach people, or it's targeting people who have set their primary location is Zimbabwe. So if you are a Zimbabwean, obviously if you have created your Facebook page in Zimbabwe, obviously you have chosen Zimbabwe as your country, so chances are high that you are going to see this ad. And if your age range falls between 20 and 60, it also means that you've got a high chance of seeing this ad. You are part of the target audience that Intuit QuickBooks is trying to target or reach. So here Intuit QuickBooks is also targeting people who are speaking or who speak both English UK and English US. And let's see the interest. So you can see here they are only targeting people who have got interest in small business, right? So basically there are some ads that you can see multiple options here. So basically this is a great start. So once you have conducted this kind of research and you have seen how others are targeting their target audience and how are they running their ads, then it's time for you to start structuring your ad. But like I told you before, you need a Facebook page. So if you haven't created a Facebook business page, you need to do it right now. And you also need to link your WhatsApp business number to that Facebook page. Now, that is if you want to drive people to your Facebook. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to just drive people to your Facebook Messenger. Right, so it's going to be a traffic ad. We're going to use the traffic objective. Now let's head to the ads manager. So in the ads manager, that's where the magic happens. That's where you run your ad. So here you can just right click and then you can open it in a new tab. I've done that already. So let me just go there. And here we have got one active ad that's currently running. And so I want to create an ad for you guys from scratch. So watch me while I'm doing it. But there's also one most important thing that you need to do before you run the ad. First, you need to go to the billing section to set your campaign spending limit. Why is this important? Because if you don't set it, you can run into problems where your ad can spend more money than you have, and that may cause commotion between you and Facebook. I've come across many business owners who have been boosting their posts alone or running ads alone, and then they don't know how to set the campaign spending limit, and then the next thing they end up with balances that they are failing to settle, and that can impact your Facebook page account performance. So here, once you are here, just go on payment settings, and here on payment settings, you also need to add your payment method, that is your Visa card. So for example, if you want to add your payment method, just click on add new method, and mostly it's a Visa. You can get it at any local bank, and then put your details here, the name on that Visa card, the card number, the expiry date, and the CVV number. Now we get to the account spending limit. So what happens is when the ad that you're running reaches the spending limit, then Facebook will stop showing your ads to people on Facebook because you would have reached the threshold that you set. So basically, you can just click here, you can reset the spend limit, you can change, you can remove, whatever you want. But this is very, very key before you start running an ad. It will help you a lot. So now that I've shown you this, let us go to account overview. Now that we are in account overview, so I think my network is acting up, just bear with me. Just bear with me here. Right, so let's just create the campaign here. So here I'm going to create a campaign. Mind you that I'm creating this campaign for one of our business pages, Facebook business pages, which is Impetuous Solutions. So let's just wait as it loads. So the whole idea is Facebook ads have got three levels. We have got the campaign level, we have got the ad set level, we have got the ad level. So at the campaign level, that's where you set your campaign objective, like why you are running that ad, what is it that you want to achieve by running the ad. The ad set level is where you choose the people who must see the ad, that is the target audience, and you also decide where your ad is shown by Facebook. And the ad level is where you write the ad copy, and that's when also you create you put the ad visuals, such as a flyer or a video or a carousel. So here we want to run a traffic ad. So if you hover over on this one, you can see it's saying the traffic objective will send people to a destination like your website, app, Instagram profile, or Facebook event. And it's also good for link clicks, landing page views, Messenger, and WhatsApp. So let's just click on that. And before we click continue, let's just rename the 3 levels that I talked about. So here the campaign level, the asset level, and the ad level. So here I'm just going to write like impetuous solutions. Then I'll just write traffic. Right, so let me just copy that and paste that, and here I'm just going to write ad set, and here let me just paste that, and let me just write ad, something like this. So here impetuous solutions. So let me just put, to avoid confusion, because I've run an ad before with that name, so let me just put media here. Let me just put media as well, like here. Right, so here let me just click continue. Okay, so now we want to work on the campaign. We're in the campaign level. This as works on an auction based system or a bidding system, and then the campaign objective is the traffic, and here I recommend that you just put this advantage campaign budget. It's just, Facebook will just try to distribute, your budget effectively. And then we've got the daily budget here, so you can set the daily budget. I prefer to just run my ads using the $0.10 daily budget. So Facebook will try by all means to spend $0.10 per day. Okay, so yeah, let's just move forward. So here let me just click next, and now we are in the ad set level. So let me just work with the messenger at the in the meantime. So here the performance goal will be maximize number of link clicks. You can even check out other goals, but we are going to go with maximize number of link clicks. Are only going to get charged based on impressions. We're going to talk about that in the next tutorial. And here, as a beginner, I recommend that you don't check this, you don't set the end date, since we have set the campaign spending limit, which means that the campaign spending limit is going to regulate the time, the end time for your ad, because once that threshold is reached, then Facebook will stop showing your ad to the people on Facebook. So now it's time to define who is going to see our ads on Facebook, and there's a template that I've in fact it's a Word document that I've just put together here with some of the options that I'm going to use here. So it's okay, let's just go back and start working on the location. So targeting is all about putting your ads in front of potential clients and customers. Remember, the rule is not to lose money, but to make money with Facebook ads. So here I want to run this ad, and in cities that are in Zimbabwe. So here we start with Harare. So we choose Harare here, and then we choose Bulawayo. So here we choose Bulawayo City, and then here we choose Mutare, and then we choose Gweru, and we work with Gweru, and then we work with Kwekwe. So I want to target businesses that are in these cities, right? So here I want to target Chegutu. So here Chegutu and Kadoma. So let me work with Kadoma. So here I also want to target businesses in Norton. So I'll just choose Norton. And I want to target businesses in Bindura. So I'll just put Bindura there. And I want to target businesses in Chitungwiza. So I'll just write Chitungwiza there. So I think I've put Harare there, so it's okay. So I'll work with those cities as of now. So here I'll set the age. So here I just want to target people who fall between 18 to 55, right? And then I'm going to target both the men and women, and then here I'll make use of detailed targeting options. So here I just want to make use of, there are a lot of ways that you can go about this. We've got demographics, we've got interest, we've got behaviors, but as of now let me just type here. So I can type like small business. So I'm going to target people who have got interest in small business. So here I can just choose that, and I'm going to target people who have got interest in small and medium enterprises. So here I'm going to choose that, and I'm going to target people who have got interest in entrepreneurship, because these people are likely to demand or to require the services of a bookkeeper, right? So let me just rewrite that. So it's the spelling is wrong there, so it's entrepreneurship, right? So entrepreneurship, like this. Okay, so let's just wait, right? So I'm also going to target people who have got interest in business, right? So people who have got an interest in business, people who have got an interest in auditing. I'm going to target people who have got an interest in accounting. So here I'm going to choose accounting, and I'm also going to choose people who have got an interest in finance. So here, finance. I'm also going to target people who have got an interest in bookkeeping. So I'm just going to say bookkeeping, sort of. So bookkeeping, which is a part of accounting, and people who are interested in tax. So tax preparation. So here there's tax preparation, right? And I'm also going to target people who have got an interest in, what can I say? People who have got an interest in bookkeeping, finance, small and medium enterprises, accounting. So QuickBooks. So yeah, this is QuickBooks software, and I'm also going to target people, right? So tax preparation, business, entrepreneurship, small business, finance, accounting, bookkeeping, people like that. So basically I think I'll go with these interests. So these are the people that I want to target, right? So here I'm going to turn on advantage detailed targeting, and here I'm going to set the languages. So I'm going to choose English, so I can choose all. That is, I'm going to target people who are comfortable with both in English US and English UK. And yeah, basically I think I'll go with this. So it's time now to save. Let me save my audience so that I can use it in the future. So here I can save that, so I can write Impetuous Solutions Media Audience, right? So I can save that. So let me save that. So you can see Impetuous Solutions Media and Audience. Now it's time for the placements. Okay, so this is where it gets tricky. Like you can see here, it's saying advantage plus placement. So here I can say, like I clicked on edit. So here there are automatic, or automatic placements and manual placements. So Facebook here, it gets a little bit clever, trying to push you to choose the recommended one. But one thing that you need to put in mind is, or to be in mind, is that Facebook is a money-making organization, and obviously most of their recommended tricks or tips are there for the advantage of Facebook. Because at the end of the day, people will just use the recommended ways, but they lose money. Remember, the goal of running Facebook ads is to make money, not to lose money. So here I go with manual placements, right? So here with manual placements, in fact, with placements, we want to decide where our ads will be shown. So as for me, in this tutorial, I don't want this ad to be shown on Instagram, right? I don't want this ad to be shown on Messenger. I don't want this ad to be shown on Audience Network. So what I'm going to do here, I want my ad to be shown on Facebook feed only. So I'm going to deactivate all this one to uncheck. I don't want my ad to be shown on Facebook stories or Facebook reels. I don't want that. And I don't want my ads to be shown on Instagram ads or anywhere else. I don't want that. So here you can see, here you can see. So I've unchecked everything. I only left Facebook feed. So I want my ad to be shown on the Facebook feed. So which is great. So I think at the moment we are done with the ad set level, and here I can just say I want my ad to run, let's say at 10:20, but it doesn't make any difference, right? So right now we are going to move to the last level, which is the ad level. So here, the ad level, I'm also going to choose a page, which is Impetuous Solutions. This is the page. So here we need to write the ad copy. So let me just copy the text that I've already written here. So this is the text that I've already written, and I'm going to paste it here. So let me just wait. So this is the text, and here let me choose the visual that I'm going to use. So I'm going to use a flyer. So let me just upload that. So let me just upload the flyer. So it's taking a bit long, but we are almost there. Let me just right, so here let me just choose where I want. So this is where I want to choose this. So I select the flyer that I want, I upload it. So let me just let's just wait, it's loading. Right, so here let me just click on next, and next, done. So basically the flyer, that if you're going to use a flyer, it has to be 1080 by 1080 pixels, right? And yeah, so here it's giving us a tip that since you only have one image or video, your audience may see the same and add too many times and stop noticing it. To avoid this, create additional ad with another image or video or something. So you can even add more media files there, like more images, So here let's write the headline here. So I can say I can say contact us. So let me just write contact us, right? Which is fine. And yeah, so basically call to action is send message. So here I need to, customize what people will have to click for better of understanding, especially on my side. So here I can say thank you so much for showing interest in our book bookkeeping services, right? And then frequently asked questions here. So here I can say can you help me manage my business finances? Okay, and then my response will be yes, sure. And so it will be yes, sure. Please leave your contact number so that we can call you yeah, so please leave your contact number so that we can call you, right? So here I can even write I am interested. How can I pay? So here I can write, so I can come here, and here I can write where can I, or I can just write can you let me just write, what can I write there? So I've written, can you help me manage my business finances? I'm interested. How can I pay? Can you help me with bookkeeping? Something like that. And then here I'll just write like this. So here I'll just say impetuous solutions media, right, which is great. So I'm done, so I click on save finish. So which means that each time when people go to the messenger, to my Facebook page messenger, they will just find those questions, and then here we can expand and see, like here you can see this is how it's going to look like affordable bookkeeping services. Let's help you keep your business records and books of accounts up to date, accurately track your business expenses and income, save time and focus on growing your business. Get in touch, blah blah blah. Okay, so this is the flyer design and all that. So that's perfect. Now it's time to publish. So before you hit the publish button, just go through everything and make sure that you have not made any mistake. And here you can see there are no errors, there are no, right, so which is, everything is looking great. So the next thing that we need to do right now is to just hit the publish button. So here let's just hit that, and if you hit that publish button, then Facebook is going to, it's not like your ad will be instantly shown on Facebook. Like you can see here, it's saying processing. So Facebook has to review this ad. Once it is done reviewing the ad, it has to approve it, and once it's done approving it, then the ad can start to show on your Facebook page. So this is it, guys. I hope this has been so helpful to you. So if you have liked this video, I want you to do 3 things. I want you to first of all subscribe, on our YouTube platform here. And I would also want you to like this video, and I would also want you to share this video with your friends and peers, right? And if you want a comprehensive Facebook ads course, we have a course at Impetuous Solutions that can take you through everything, everything that you need to know to be a pro at running Facebook ads. So yeah, guys, go ahead, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube platform. And thank you for watching, and God bless you.